Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Apple's Fix. Today, we're diving deep into the most anticipated smartphone of the year, the OnePlus Shoe. If you're a tech lover or thinking about upgrading your phone, you'll definitely want to watch this till the end. Let's get started. Launch and overview. The OnePlus 15 was officially announced for China in late October 2025, with a global launch expected in mid-November. It's the newest addition to OnePlus's flagship lineup and brings several major upgrades over its predecessor. The OnePlus 13. The company seems focused on combining speed, design elegance, and camera innovation into one complete package. Design, display. The design of the OnePlus 15 takes a bold new direction. The classic circular camera module is gone, replaced by a sleeker rectangular island with a premium matte glass back and metal frame. One of the biggest highlights is the 165Hz OLED display, a world first for smartphones. That means smoother scrolling, faster response, and an unbeatable gaming experience. The bezels are ultra-thin, and the brightness levels are improved while using less power. This screen is designed for both performance and comfort, even in low light. Power and performance. Inside, the OnePlus 15 is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet, combined with 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and super-fast UFS 4.0 storage. This phone is built to deliver lightning-fast performance. It's also expected to pack a massive 7,000 mAh battery with OnePlus's signature ultra-fast charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100% in minutes. This is definitely a phone that won't quit on you halfway through the day. Camera innovation. Moving on to the cameras. OnePlus has reportedly ended its partnership with Hasselblad and developed its own new DetailMax image engine. The triple 50MP camera setup includes a main sensor, an ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto lens capable of up to 3.5x optical zoom. Expect sharper details, richer colors, and improved low-light performance, making it a real challenger to Samsung and iPhone flagships. Features and experience. The OnePlus 15 is more than just specs, it's about user experience. The display can reportedly drop to just 1 nit. Brightness for comfortable night viewing, and new color options like Sandstorm give the phone a unique personality. Oxygen OS 15, based on Android 15, is expected to bring smoother animations, smarter AI features, and even better battery optimization. Outro. Call to action. So, if you're looking for a phone that combines power, design, and innovation, the OnePlus 15 might just be the perfect choice. Some details are still based on leaks, but the official launch is just around the corner. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next tech review. Comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.